Well, hello, everybody. Christmas came for me a little bit early this year. Welcome to my home here in East Tennessee. It is the very end of October. It has turned cold here. The rain came in, and with it just came a bunch of cold. So the humidity is kind of gone. Even though it's raining, it's still just kind of one of those cold rains. So anyhow, we're supposed to have snow a few nights this week. So I'm really glad that this box came when it did. This is from my friend Tammy in Alabama. She has been a subscriber of mine for so very long, and I just I appreciate your all's friendships just more than you know, and she is she is so generous. She just sent me this box, and I have been kind of going through it. My tripod has been kind of acting a little bit strange, so the other video that I had of this just didn't work. So I'm hoping, I'm not going to touch the tripod and just see if I can show you all what all she sent me. Okay. She sent me a leaf to one of her beautiful African violets. Check the bloom out on this picture. I love that, Tammy. That is gorgeous. This one speaks to me. The purple with the white frilly bloom. That is absolutely gorgeous, and these leaves are very nice, and they arrived in perfect condition. I'm so glad that they arrived when they did, because it was going to be too cold for anything to be shipped this week. And oh my gosh, she has sent me, wow, the Queen of the Night. I've seen pictures of these. They're absolutely beautiful. They've got this huge white flower on them. Yes, Tammy, that does spark joy. She sent me a really sweet note along with all this. Okay, look what I have. I have Sherry Baby. She says this one came from Florida, and this is a good size. Let me see if I can get this. I don't want to touch this tripod because it's just not happy with me today. But this is a good size plant. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Wow. Okay. And then she sent me something. This is a flamingo reed stem epidendrum. And she said she hadn't had any luck with it, which, sometimes things just don't do well in a certain environment. So I'm going to give this one a try, because look at this bloom. Yes. So I'm going to be reading up on this and how to take care of this. Wow. She sent me a note saying if there's anything here that you do not want, you don't have to keep it. And yeah, Tammy, I'm keeping it all. She says she hoped there was something in here that sparked joy, and I just thought that is just so kind. So I can't wait to get this Sherry Baby started. You all know that I've mentioned this quite a few times. For some reason, our immediate area right here just doesn't ever get these in. They get other oncidiums, but not this. If I'm going, I really like the Sherry Baby. I think that is really, really pretty. So just wanted to share with you this unboxing. And I'm really excited about this Queen of the Night. Yay. I can't wait to get this started. That is going to be so cool. I think I saw one of these at Opryland when we visited there. So I can't wait to get this one started. So thank you so much, Tammy. And thank you all for just your kind words during this time in our family. They've meant so much to me. You all are just the nicest group of people. You all are my orchid family, and just reading through the comments has been such a comfort to me and my family. So thank you again, Tammy. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to be busy potting these up. So before I let you go today, I'd love to say the blessing over you and your families. The Lord bless you and keep you. Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you and your families his shalom peace. You all make it a great day. We'll see you next time.